Hello everyone and welcome back to the another episode of Mobile Legend Adventure. And today I have come up with some analysis, some advanced information regarding Guild Boss Rush. Okay, so before we start to the actual point, at first I would like to show you some scores of GBR which I have picked up randomly, and there you can see that these guys are doing a humongous damage and score while they are facing all kind of boss in GBR. Yes, definitely you all are well aware of the present meta and lineup, that is Sylvana, Akashik and Carry. But there is a secret. What is it? Just let us have a look first. Yes, so you can see the huge scores already has been done by them, and definitely there is a secret behind it, because with the normal idea or normal lineup just adjusting the valor, it is not possible to have this kind of huge score. So we will definitely discuss that how to get this score. For this we need to check the next photos and analysis to understand this. You must know that presently we use Sylvana, Carry and 3 Akashic for the GBR. So now the basic thing is having 3 Akashic with the highest SV soul vessel for the main Akashic, and Carry with the all equipped with the soul vessel and Orle and Sylvana. So guys, just have a look into the next photo and let us understand the skills first. By the way, this is also to inform you that this is a very small score which I have showed in the previous photos. Basically they all do near about 150 to 160k per boss per day with the 3 chances. So there is a secret. We need to understand the Sylvana's skill first. Here you can see the Sylvana releases the Hawk of Light, which flies towards the ally with the most attack and grants the ally a shield equal to 50% of Sylvana's attack. So here basically Sylvana's skill, this skill goes to Carry, and you can see the skill effect. Before returning to the Sylvana in 4 seconds, it offers her a shield equal to 80% of the damage dealt by the ally in the 4 seconds. There the secret lies. Basically, Carry is the key to having the shield, and while having the shield, Carry is doing the burst damage, and there when the shield is going back to the Sylvana, it's being affected in the score. So basically Carry has to have the shield from Sylvana, and within the 4 second Carry needs to do the maximum damage, because this is the funda, this is the actually the process where you can score the highest ever possible in the battle. Now here you can see the Carry skill, which is the damage, base damage of Carry increased to the 450%, and this happen, which is already highlighted in the photo. This is happen when you increase Carry's skill through Carry's soul vessel through ancient twilight. So this is the main secret. This is the another secret to have the best output of the combo of Sylvana's skill goes to Carry, and after 4 seconds dealing the damage of Carry, it's going back to the Sylvana. So now let us just have a look in the ancient twilight. Okay, before we just go and have a look how this ancient twilight actually being effective in the Guild Boss Rush to having the maximum output, you must know that one by one, if you increase the ancient twilight to ancient twilight from level 1 to level 3, definitely the base damage of the skill of Carry also being increased. It's already in 450% in level 1, and definitely it's going to be a huge one while you are doing the upgradation. So Now let us have a look into the Carey's twilight effect, and in the next picture you will see how you will be able to understand that how that is the Carey is upgraded through ancient twilight or not. Here you can see the highlighted area. You can see at the top right, this Carey is already upgraded with the ancient twilight level 2. And definitely you must have the question in mind that how to upgrade the ancient twilight. So for that you just need to check the next video. Okay, so here is the Carey, and you can see the highlighted area which is the soul vessel. Then next to the ancient twilight button, and there you can upgrade the Carey with the ancient twilight materials. And definitely these materials are able to get from the market or from the ideal reward, so you just need to invest there. Okay, let us just have a look in the valor system. You need to distribute your valor between support and marksman valor. As much as possible you just need to upgrade your support valor to get the effects from the Akashic, which is a support hero, and as you need the shield effect from Carey, so you need to upgrade the valor, marksman valor as well. Okay, so here if you want to get extra output, definitely you can put some valor in the fighter, which is 15 is very nice, 15 is absolutely good. Otherwise you actually don't need to put any kind of fighter valor, you don't need to invest there, because basically the combo works on the Carey's damage while she is being shielded by the Sylvana. So now let us have a look in the fight video. Okay, so here you can see that actually how this combo work. You can see the fight is going on, and now Sylvana's shield skill goes to Carey, and Carey is doing its damage, while after the 4th second it's just going back to the Sylvana, and that's actually taking effect in GBR. So guys, this is it for today, and I do believe you have some idea right now, and definitely you are eagerly waiting to apply it in your own account. So for the time, have a nice day, see you, and don't forget to subscribe.